Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a haul to share with you guys today. And this is from Bearly Arts. Yay! I actually got some good glue, so we'll see. I got it yesterday and I ordered it, I don't know, when Abby first put out her discount code. That's when I went and got it. Abby meaning Cat Paper Love here on YouTube. So here we go. Oh my gosh. There's Tara. I didn't get this for free. But look at this box, guys. That is a cool box, and it just shows you, yeah, what I ordered. But that is a cute box, and it is Bearly Art. Cool. Now, how to get it open, that's the problem. Alright, let me see. I'm just gonna have to cut it open. There we go. Maybe not. Okay, if you hear my son, welcome to my channel. He's always in the background because he's a loud child. And I am done apologizing. Oh, I could have slid the sucker off. Oh well, that's cute. Anyway, let's get this open. Oh my god, this is a huge bottle of glue, guys. What? It's the Honey Bear, like everybody is saying. It is the size of that 11 ounces. Holy cow. And then here's their squeeze bottle. It feels pretty soft to squeeze. It just has a little card in here. It says Bearly Art monthly giveaway. Tag us at Bearly Arts on Instagram for your chance to win a free bundle. So I'm definitely going to do that. And it shows you what comes with the glue. You get ultra fine tip, a fine tip. I think me pointing is there you go. You get the ultra fine, fine, and then a storage tip, the little green cap. And it just shows you that you can just twist them off and on. And you also get one cleaning pin. You don't get all these, it's just one, which is super cool. I can't wait to use it. But yeah, I've been meaning to get this. I think I saw Crafty Crafts with Dina. I saw Craft Purge. Who else did I see? Darn it, there's a whole bunch, guys. There's been so many ladies lately that I've started following, and I get them all mixed up. So please forgive me if you're one of them ladies. You know I don't have a great brain, so we're working on it. Anyway, this is the bottle. I want to open this up and see what is going on. Oh, nice. It is sealed. I wonder, is this one? Yes, so your glue won't go bad. Not that it will, but just in case. And then you can put the tip on. I think you attach it to this. So this goes on here. And you put whatever tip that you're wanting to use this for. I'm curious now. I'm gonna cut a project out and use this glue to work on in another video. So let's get this open. I already need new scissors, really? There we go. Yeah, this is cool. Finally! Craft Purge did a test on it. Somebody else did a test. I forget exactly who I was watching, but as I'm speaking, it's drying on my fingers. This is so cool. And I love that it has the tips in a container. The tips have its own container. And I guess you attach this onto the top. And there's your little pin. And then this is the fine tip, and this is, I mean, the super fine, and then the fine, or ultra fine. Oops. This is the storage tip. This is not a tip. This one is the tip. Awesome. And then you just use the pin when it's clogged, and use the pin on there or in between while you're working. So you can, you know, keep the nozzle clear. You just put it in like that. Oh my God, I love this. So I'm gonna take my green cap and put it on here. Leave the ultra fine in there. Put this all together. This is a cool kit. I love that it comes with tips, and it gives you some place to store your tips. Oh, I love it. So this will stay on my desk, right behind my camera. That's why I could see it, or so I could see it. But yep, that's it, guys. Thank you for joining me. My little online haul from Bearly Arts. Super cool. I can't wait to get started using this thing and actually giving you an honest opinion how I feel about the glue. Alrighty, so I'll see you all next video. Bye.